Hey guys, welcome to another video. We are off-road. We are testing the truck, testing the new suspension, testing all the fun mods that we've done recently. I'm super excited. I'm on a trail that's gonna loop us around Gunlock Reservoir down here by St. George, Utah. There's gonna be some great scenery, some great shots, maybe even some technical stuff on this trail. I have no idea what to expect. I've never been on this road or this trail before. So according to Onyx Off-Road, I should be all right. It's an easy trail. So hang out with me, enjoy the awesome views, and let's have some fun. So one quick aspect, we have some sand here. Now, as much fun as it would be, I think, to go and play around in the sand, maybe go up this way, because really it just goes up and loops around to the road that is kind of the main road. This seems just kind of like a little play area. Now, I did take a little loop here to see how well the truck would perform without airing down, because I don't really have a way to inflate my tires before getting back on the highway. This is how it did, and honestly it felt like I was sinking a little bit and it kind of struggled. So I don't feel good about going up in this little play area right now because I have another 45-minute drive back home that's on 20 psi on my tires. I don't know, I've never done that. I'd like to keep the same pressure that I have in my tires on this trip and on the way home if I can. If I absolutely feel like I need to air down, I will, but that's kind of where we're at. I probably will see more like this, and I'm sure you guys would love to see it, but I'm out here by myself and safety is always number one, right? So we're gonna play it safe. We're gonna stay on the main road. Still pretty rocky, still pretty challenging, still some cool deeper sand like right here, but not enough like that to get stuck in. So anyway, let's keep going down and let's see what we get up to. So here we are. I made a mistake. I was going down the wrong road. However, we turned around, came back to actually the end of the original road I wanted to go down. We're at the end of it. It kind of just spits you out back onto the highway over here. But I wanted to give you guys that update. This is kind of the more unscenic, bland, boring side of the trail. Anyway, so giving you guys this update right before we climb this little rocky hill. Nothing too crazy. There's some big rocks up there. I think we'll be all right, but I'm hoping you guys have enjoyed the video. We're gonna keep rocking and rolling. I absolutely love my truck. Ever since doing the new suspension, it feels like I'm driving a brand new truck, and going over rocky, rough terrain like this, combined with the tires and that nice suspension, oh man, it is killing it out here. This truck is doing so good. I'm so happy about it. I had somebody coming down the trail as soon as I finished that last bit. Anyway, let's go up this hill. Let's get going. Hopefully nobody else is up here as we crest the top. And there we go, a raw look at what it's like to climb up a hill, all the clunks and bangs you can hear on my old truck. I'm having a blast. I hope you guys can see that. I love going off-road. I love doing this kind of stuff. Rocky, bumpy, and all. I want to wrap this video up by getting to Gunlock Reservoir, showing you guys some water features with the drone. I think that's going to be pretty cool, pretty exciting. So we're almost there. Let's get some more of this trail, and then we'll see you at the water. So we got to the end of the trail there, threw up the drone, got some awesome shots for you guys. I hope you felt as though you were riding shotgun with me during this adventure. That's kind of what I'm aiming for to convey when it comes to these type of videos. Not just sharing my passion of going off-road and being in the outdoors, but to bring you along with and make it feel like you're here with me. Because I think that's what it's all about. Not just the adventure, but bringing you along with it. Have so much fun doing it. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers and I'm recording this. If we can get there, I'd be so stoked. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one.